Are you still enduring harsh lighting, eye discomfort, dizziness, and visual fatigue during hearing tests? Joyo Sound has specially developed a hearing boost lighting control system for the hearing industries. 3 different color lighting source linkage, intelligent control, and instant switch between main light, background light, and spotlight. Let lighting match the scenario, prevent dizziness and discomfort, and make a comfortable fitting for users, the true mark of the professionalism.